What's up, everyone? Today we're going to go through the Chitty Chatty Bridge, nearing completion. It's almost done. You'll get to see what it looks like inside and some kind of weird pedestrian thing that they got going on. Oh, by the way, 3-0. Packers are 3-0. They beat the Saints. I do have a couple videos coming down the pipe this week. We have something with the produce, the village's produce area, and then we have a couple of the rec centers and the Brownwood Lofts and the woodworking place. So stay tuned for all of those and enjoy the video. We're going to start out today on the north end of Highway 44, just east of Buena Vista, actually. So we're right next to the Rohan Rec Center. We're just east of the Rohan Rec Center. This is with the Chitty Chatty Bridge. You see this little extra lane that they have here? We're going to zoom up to the top here. It says pedestrian crossing or trail crossing, which is kind of weird. So we have a trail crossing on this side. It goes all the way down into the Rohan parking lot. And we're going to go through the bridge all the way to the other side here. Don't mind my weaving back and forth through the bridge. I'm trying not to hit the sides. Some of y'all will probably be doing this when you get to go to Brownwood and then drive back to Chitty Chatty and Bradford. So this bridge goes all the way over Highway 44. We're going from the north to the south right now. And you can see the bridge is not very wide, just enough for 2 golf carts. But remember that pedestrian walkway was on the northern side, but when we get to the southern side here, there is no walkway. So it's only the 2 lanes for the golf carts. I'm not sure exactly what the plan was with that or how they plan on doing that. I'd assume that pedestrian traffic is just going to have to merge with golf cart traffic, which, I mean, I'm not an engineer, so I would personally think that's not a good idea, but you can see that it winds down a little bit on the Chitty Chatty side. So this is on the southern side of 44. This is the village of Chitty Chatty right here. We've done several videos on that. Check it out. I'll probably do an updated one on Chitty Chatty here. Later, we're going to talk about the Chitty Chatty Facebook group that if you live in that Chitty Chatty area, you can join. They've been reaching out to me about that. You can see the Rohan Rec Center here. We're going to have a video later this week about that also, but we're going to pan from the south to the north along the bridge here, and this is Highway 44. We're actually looking east right now. So you can see the bridge is almost done. They have quite a bit of the landscaping around the bridge completed. The bridge itself, the lanes look like they're completed. I'm assuming that the dirt you see underneath and around, they're going to fill with sod before they actually open it up. I would imagine that they want it to look as good as they can get it in the actual, when they do the opening and the videos and all that type of stuff. So this is the northern side here, kind of northeast of the rec center. You see like the Eisenhower where the Publix, or not Eisenhower, Rohan where the Publix and all that stuff is. And then we're going to pan facing west. We're moving south over 44. You see Rohan over there to the right, and then this is moving south into the Chitty Chatty area. In the distance you can see the village's vegetable where they do all the produce, and then there's a good look at Chitty Chatty again. Hopefully you all enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.